guys, in today's video I am going to be using some milk paint. I was inspired by my video 260 with my bonus painting. I got some really cool detail using the milk paint, so I'm going to use the same colors, not exact same colors, but those will be in the description. And I'm hoping to get the same kind of effects that I did on that little one. So I am just going to go ahead and get started. Hey everybody, so the painting is all dry and I've got it here for you guys to see. It dried pretty nice, but I did realize after, I wondered why it was so more kind of cloudy looking, and I accidentally mixed it. I grabbed my cloud effect mix that I mixed with the milk paint. So it does look a little bit cloudier, which is kind of cool. It looks like maybe a Christmas storm. But I do love the top in the darker red and green areas. There's some really cool detail up in there. And so I'm pretty happy with the results. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and please share my video. It really does help me and I do appreciate it a lot. All right, so thank you guys and have a Merry Christmas.